to my channel. Welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video, guys, I have an amazing and unique trick for you. And guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can create multiple Gmail account without number. Guys, as you can see, these are some of the Gmail I create without number. So guys, in this video today I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to create any Gmail account without using any phone number. So guys, please, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding. And please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any amazing tricks every day on this channel. So guys, let's get started with me.